This section describes a method to mirror Android applications to a Windows PC using Scrcpy and ADB. It addresses the need for a reliable solution for viewing content on a larger screen, particularly for live sports through the Partner TV app. The motivation behind this project stems from the desire to watch Partner TV content, especially live basketball games, on a PC monitor due to the app's lack of web support. This section outlines the current setup, including details about the PC and mobile device used for mirroring. The PC specifications include a 12th Gen Intel i3 processor, 16 GB RAM, and a mix of SSD and HDD storage, while the mobile device is a Realme C21. The mobile device is detailed as a Realme C21, equipped with a micro USB port for charging and intended for 10 watts charging. This is essential for connecting to the PC for mirroring purposes. This section highlights the key steps for using Scrcpy, emphasizing the need to enable USB debugging, connect the phone to the PC, and run the Scrcpy command to initiate live screen mirroring. In this section, steps are provided for installing Scrcpy and setting up ADB on the Windows PC, including enabling developer options on the phone, which is crucial for successful mirroring. Detailed steps for enabling developer options and USB debugging on the Realme C21 are provided. This involves navigating through the settings to unlock developer features, a necessary step before mirroring can occur. This section outlines the installation steps for a Scrcpy on Windows, including downloading the software and executing it via command prompt or PowerShell, which is essential for establishing the mirror connection. This section explains the workflow to start mirroring by connecting the phone through a USB cable and accepting the USB debugging prompt, followed by executing the spy command to display the phone's screen on the PC. Various technologies involved in this project are listed, including Android, ADB, Scrcpy, and Windows 10, all of which play critical roles in enabling the mirroring functionality. This section introduces important concepts regarding Scrcpy and ADB. Understanding their roles enhances troubleshooting and optimizes performance when mirroring. Scrcpy is a high-performance application for screen mirroring. It captures the mobile device's screen content and compresses the video stream using hardware encoding, ensuring low latency suitable for real-time viewing. ADB is a communication protocol that establishes a connection between the PC and the Android device. Scrcpy relies on ADB to transmit compressed video data, serving as the essential pipeline for mirroring. An accompanying image illustrates the ADB communication schema, depicting how the ADB client on the host machine interacts with the ADB server on the Android device. This demo section summarizes the practical aspects of mirroring using Scrcpy, focusing on what users will observe on their PC screens and how the devices respond during the mirroring process. An image illustrates the successful connection established after executing the Scrcpy command, showcasing the Android device screen displayed on the PC. USB debugging must be enabled for this to function. As users interact with the Partner TV app post-connection, the PC screen captures the app in full, demonstrating the mirroring capabilities effectively. This section compares different connected devices, noting that while one device offers better resolution, it lacks audio, highlighting considerations for users choosing devices for optimal performance. Key considerations for users include the preference for USB cables over Wi-Fi for latency and stability, the need for standard USB data cables, and the absence of a requirement for a developer account, hinging on enabling developer options and USB debugging.